Hey guys, and what is up? This is part 2 of the bonus Pokemon X playthrough. When we left off, I had just gotten my Pokemon, and I named him Floof. Floofy Floof. But, yeah. And we got set off to do what we were doing. I got one potion. Is that all you gave me? And a Holocaster. Can I use this? I'm gonna use that later. Okay, we're gonna leave now. Hey, big guy. Roar. Ha ha ha, what a card. I guess Rhyhorn just wanted to give you a big send-off for your journey. Well, it has known you since you were born, after all. Good luck, Titito. Go for broke and don't worry. You'll have Pokemon by your side, so you'll be fine. It's hilarious how this woman has so much faith in a kid that's like 15. And he's going on his own to just wander an entire, country. Anyone else find that, hilarious? Because he's just like, bye mom, I'm gonna go visit the country now. And she's just like, okay. I'm too, doped up on happiness. Something. What is this? Oh, hey, little kid. Bye, little kid. What is this? Pokemon shop? Specialized sells Pokemon Pokeballs only. Okay, so sells regular Pokeballs. I'm gonna buy some of those in a second, as soon as I check out the rest of the town. What's this? Person. How can we humans possibly feel well when our Pokemon aren't feeling well? Come to see me anytime when your Pokemon aren't doing well. I'll take care of them. So is this like a nursery? I don't like how the camera angle just tilts on this game. Potions. I'll take 4 potions. And then I guess I'll get some Pokeballs. Ah. I'll get the standard 5. Okay, I guess we're... Wait. What's down here? Nothing. They lied to me. What the... Why does this place have back alleys? It makes no sense. I do like this 3D design, though. This game has so... What is this? A photo spot. Oh. Can I take a picture? Hey, Pokemon trainer. If you set foot on tall grass, a wild Pokemon... But you'll be fine because your Pokemon partner will battle for you. Yeah, dude. So just kill your cheese. Stuff. Oh. Pidgey. Ember. My arm itches. I do look like he looks like a ball of fluff. He's got fur coming out of his ears. 21 points of experience. Okay guys, I think I'm going to pause the recording here, and I'll start back up after I've done some leveling and catching up some Pokemons. Okay guys, so it's literally 3 seconds after that, I tried walking forward and this happened. Oh, hi, Loki. Come learn how to catch Pokemon with me. Serena's mom and dad are amazing trainers. That's why she knows so much about catching Pokemon and all. Well, mom and dad made me good, but it has nothing to do with me. Now watch carefully, you two. Oh, this is just another tutorial on how to catch Pokemon. I could have done without this. I thought it was something special. Ugh. I really do like the 3D part of this game. Like, they've really changed Pokemon a lot from, like, Ruby and Sapphire days. Whoa, the Pokemon's inside the Pokeball? What do you think your Chespin is inside of right now? Here, I'll share what? Aw, Captain Hindsight right here. Totally should have seen that coming. Well, I got some Pokeballs now. Pokeballs! Do you think I can catch Pokemon with them too? Sure, you can catch the Pokemon around here just by throwing a Pokeball near them. Good luck. So she just wants cute Pokemon. That's it. This next Pokemon I will catch. Okay, it's gonna be a bird. Okay, I will catch it. And it will be mine. What? Okay, this next Pokemon I will catch. And it will be mine. Did not expect to KO that. Okay, there we go. Come on. This next Pokemon is mine. Okay, it's a Pidgey. Pidgey. Pudgy. Okay. Let's not kill it, please. Thank you. I'm gonna try a Pokeball. No, we do Pokeballs. Oh, she gave me 10? Alright, cool. We got Pidgey. And I still get experience from it. That's interesting. A common sight in forests and woods. It flaps its wings at ground level to kick up blinding sands. I will nickname it later. Or you guys can. Okay guys, I'm gonna pause the recording again. And I'll see you guys back when we've leveled up and gained some more Pokemons. Okay guys, and we're back. While I was gone, I caught a Bunnelby and a Scatterbug. Along with the Pidgey that I caught before. So now we have the whole team now. Just a second ago, I fought this kid. And he was just said some of the stupidest things. But wait up, let's walk together. I have a feeling something exciting will happen if I stay by you. I'll heal your Pokemon too. Okay, there's this little thing glowing. No, I don't want to connect to the internet. Okay. I was wondering why that thing was glowing and it confused me. Hold on, I'm gonna just... There we go. But, wait, is she actually healed my Pokemon? No, you didn't, woman. Yeah, so much for nothing. Ooh, Pokeball. It's hilarious why everything's kept in Pokeballs. Like, I just found a potion that was in a Pokeball. I thought Pokeballs were supposed to be meant for Pokemon, and not items. Is that just where they're keeping everything now? Oh, wait, do I get to keep? Oh, yes. Monkey, you will be mine. Come to me, monkey. What was that? It looked like they did some kind of tribal dance. So intense. He's got droopy eyes. So, like, Leer is supposed to be, like, intense. I just can't... can't take a monkey with droopy eyes intense. Like, he can't... It's just... No. Gotcha, monkey. Pansear. Cool. Now I got a monkey. I will name him Bobo. Very intelligent. It roasts berries before eating them. It likes to help people. Your name's Bobo. It's been decided. Bobo. Yep. Your name's Bobo. Wait, now are my Pokemon healed? Now that I've been in a battle? What? You piece of dirt. This is what I get for being friends with her. She's just a horrible, horrible friend. I should have gone training up in here. Actually, I don't think the Pokemon are any better, so I'm gonna run. Okay. What? Oh, but, a battle? What? Oh, hang on a second. Are you gonna actually catch a Pokemon? Look what I found. I'll give it to you. I love kind. I watch out for everything closely as you might think. Thank you. Is there a are you a trainer? He looked at me, and he turned his head. He acknowledged that I was there. He was just like, hey dude, I won't fight you until you come right in front of me. This is the... My goodness. I just thought of something. Do I have to talk to her for her to heal me? I'll try it. It's so crazy, it just might work. It's not even that crazy. There we go. Fluff, level 10. Yeah. $72. Come here, woman. Heal me. Yes! I was right. Did she heal me? Oh my goodness. I need to organize these real quick. Organize this here. Okay. That there. There we go. Sorry, I have this little pet peeve of mine. They have to be in order. Oh, dude, do you have something? I wonder what kind of Pokemon dance is best for works best for a crew of Pokemon in it. With bleh. I totally just bombed what he just said. So I'm just gonna walk around and hope for another monkey. That was a pretty lucky find, finding a monkey first off. I kinda want a Panpour now. I'm gonna run because I'm not particularly a fan of bug types. What? More Pokeballs! Do you own the Pokeball factory or something? Are you like Willy Wonka? She did it too! Guess it's just one of those things. They're just like, hey, and now I fight you. Oy. A level 5 Pikachu. Are you Ash Ketchum, madam? Is that who you are? You the female equivalent of Ash Ketchum? You gonna win every battle? You gonna beat all the gyms? Nope, you ain't, 'cause I just beat you. What you gonna do about it? That's what I thought. Why do I get 120 if... I don't understand the experience system in this game. What? You said you heal... Wait, was that... Was that you or was that her? Okay. I don't have that many Pokemons. I'm gonna fight her, and then I think the way out is up there. So. Lizzie? I think is how you pronounce her name. Come on, Lizzie. Oh, now I see what she was saying. I have like 5 Pokemon. I get it now. It all makes sense. Bunnelby. Hey, Bunnelby. Your ears are oddly hand-shaped. They look funny. He's like, I'm gonna intensely stare at you. That's what I always think Leer is. It's just the Pokemon intensely glaring at them like, I'm going to lower your defense. Just all, like, ridiculously looking. It just makes you want to burst out laughing. I learned Howl. Well, no, Fluff did. Fluff. Okay. Did you just say you want to catch a Pikachu? I don't think we have a Pikachu. Pikachus are not that good. What? I thought this... but, I think this is the way out. So you were the first to arrive. Looks like my new neighbor is someone with a lot of potential. The way Pokemon move, it's just incredible. I want to show off some of that spirit when I dance. Tierno. Could you think about something else besides Pokemon move for once? We're all here, let's go to Satulun City. I take one step and they're just like, go! Onward! Charge! What are you all going to do? Well, I look for Pokemon, of course. The professor did ask us to complete the Pokedex, after all. And furthermore, different Pokemon prefer living in different places. To put it another way, it's a chance to find different Pokemon than the ones in the forest. I bet different Pokemon will use different moves. I sure want to see lots of other moves. What are you going to do, Serena? I'm going to Satulun City's gym and challenge the gym leader. You see, Pokemon trainers find out how good they really are by challenging the leaders of Pokemon gyms. Wow, you sure know a lot. It's because my mom and dad taught me so much. Here, I have something for you guys. Adventure rules. I wrote down 10 different tips every trainer should know. Here's one for you. Thank you, madam. Thank you. If you're puzzled about something, try looking in these rules. Oh, that's great. I'm going to spend some time getting to know my little Cespin. What are you gonna do? I am gonna pause right here. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Thanks for the support. It really means a lot, guys. And remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, guys.